Okay? Now, the main thing is that you look at our body. Our body, is it an alkaline body or is it an acidic body? Alkaline. Okay. Actually, our body, the blood, our blood and the seawater, okay, there are many similarity, Okay. The seawater also, the pH is slightly alkaline. Especially the ancient sea, are more alkaline. So the pH of the body are 7.2. Slightly alkaline. The food we are eating must be more alkaline than acidic food, then your body will be healthy. As a general classification, okay, we can classify in this way. All vegetables are alkaline. Even lime, Alkalinity of the food is not depend on the taste, we are talking about the effect. If we can make the body become alkaline, okay, this food is classified as alkaline food. For example, your lemon. Lemon is very acidic, am I right? So is lemon an acidic food or is it an alkaline food? It's alkaline food because organic acid remove organic acid. That's why during the hot summer, during the hot days, so when the weather is hot, our body produces a lot of acid. That's why you feel tired, you feel thirsty, So you have some lemon juice. Oh, it's good for the body because it can remove the acid from the body. How about this, like fermented food, like the yogurt, like all these things, they are alkaline food. Now, all the meat are acid. Some people say white meat is better than red meat. Some people say fish is better than chicken. Some people say chicken is better than beef. No, don't believe all these things. All the meat are the same. This thing. So whether it's beef, whether it's mutton, whether it's chicken, it's duck, it's rabbit, it is fish, it is whatever it is, all the meat are acidic. Okay. How about grains? How about rice, wheat, and also your the beans? The beans you are taking now. That you have to be very careful. If the rice, you see, in the last time in the village, you know how they produce the rice? After they harvest the paddy, they pound the rice, They're pounding it, you have brown rice. And that is alkaline. But in the modern days, okay, we polish the rice. We polish until it's become so white, so beautiful, like a pearl, That is a pure white rice. That is acidic. That is acidic. Okay. Now, you talk about the bean. Okay. If you soak the beans, the best way of eating any bean, you soak it in the water overnight. The next day, there's some little sprout coming out, You eat it raw. That is a very alkaline food because all the enzyme is everything. So if you cook it lightly, it is alkaline. But unfortunately, when people cook bean, they always cook it for a long time, Okay, like our dal, our red bean, the green pea. We cook for such a long time until it become almost like a porridge, And then it become acidic. It become acidic. The same thing as wheat, Wheat, if you take the whole wheat, it is alkaline. Then you polish the wheat, Then you make into a very white flour. Sorry. I get very excited when I come to Dubai, This thing. Then it become. If you polish it, it become very white. Then it is acidic. Okay, now it is a simple analysis now. I always ask our member, look at your breakfast. Okay, look at your lunch. Okay, look at your tea break. Look at your dinner. Look at your supper. We are taking alkaline food. You agree with me? You look at your breakfast. Now, in breakfast, many people are taking egg. Am I right? Is it good to take egg? Egg actually is a perfect food, All the nutrient is contained in the egg. When you eat egg, you don't believe those saying that, you eat only egg white, you throw away the egg yolk, because people say the egg yolk contains a lot of cholesterol. Is that true? That's not true. When you eat the egg, you must eat the whole egg. Okay? The egg white, egg yolk, any egg, you eat it together because that is a complete food. The problem is not with the egg yolk or the egg white. The problem is how you prepare your egg. If the egg is eaten raw, without cooking, it is very, very alkaline. Yeah. It's alkaline in nature. And you can treat a lot of disease, no, by eating raw egg. But unfortunately, people take it as uncivilized, no? Okay, because nowadays the egg from such a dirty farm, you may not be not like the what they call last time the chicken, a free chicken roaming around. No, the egg are very healthy. But now the problem with the egg is that they confine the chicken into the cage. The chicken are very unhappy, so the kind of egg may not be so good to us. Okay, they are very angry chicken. You get angry egg, you eat the egg, your mind also become angry. Yeah, this sort of thing. This is a problem with egg today. Okay, so in the morning, okay, then egg, the 3 stages, no, raw egg, raw and organic egg, very good for the body. Don't believe that there are some germs, everything. Germs cannot go into the eggs, no. The cells, everything will protect the thing. Otherwise, the chicken will have contaminated and die. Okay, so raw egg is the best. Okay, in the meeting is half-boiled egg. Half-boiled egg is good, easy to digest. It's still this alkaline. So then the hard-boiled, okay. Hard-boiled egg, of course, is turned to acidic, this thing. Now, or you scramble egg, acidic, okay? This fried egg, this in the morning, okay? You take some scrambled egg, take some sausage, okay? Take some white bread. Is that acidic or is that alkaline? Acidic. So in the daytime, you take some biryani, you take some white bread, you take some this, what they call, this fried mutton, fried chicken. Is it alkaline or is it acidic? Acidic. In the evening, okay, you take a steak, you take a very big dinner, mainly this thing. You may take some vegetable, okay, but if the vegetables are very they cook for a long time, or the bean, it's all acidic. Now you're telling me if from the morning, from the noon up to the evening, you are taking acidic food, then your body will turn acidic.